Hey guys, what's up? This is Geronimo and thank you for watching this video. As you can see in our title, this is an announcement for our upcoming giveaway. So today, i-announce ko lang officially kung ano ba yung mga ipapamigay natin and also ano ba yung mga dapat nyong gawin para makasali kayo sa ating giveaway. Okay, so for our giveaway, meron tayong isang ipamimigay na vlogging kit from Mirfak. So these items are all from Attitude Digital. This is not a sponsored giveaway. So tayo yung bumili for this one. From our milestone, as you may know, nakuha na natin yung ating first ever income from YouTube. So I want to give it all to you guys sa mga sumuporta, sa mga nanonood ng ating video. So one of you guys ay pwedeng manalo ng vlogging kit, a phone vlogging kit from Mirfak, and also an overhead camera mic from Mirfak as well. I think that's the Mirfak N2 mic. So yun yung ipapamigay natin for you. And also meron din tayong ipapamigay na isang SD card, which is Sandisk Extreme Pro with 64GB memory capacity. And hindi lang doon nagtatapos yung giveaway natin, meron din tayong ipapamigay, which is yung binigay sa atin ng Raptor Philippines na Raptor 5000 Air. So, you heard it right. Yes, pwede kayong makakuha ng isang Raptor 5000 Air na ginamit natin. So, lalagyan ko lang siya ng sticker para at least katibayan na ito'y galing sa ating milestone giveaway. And hindi doon nagtatapos guys kasi during our live stream last time, nag-chat yung isa nating consultant from Slimmers World. So, consultant Miss Tina, thank you for giving away 2 extra facial treatment for free. So, if ever sino man nanalo, magkakaroon ng voucher for you guys. And dalawa ring free body sculpting treatment. That's total of 4 gift vouchers from Miss Tina of Slimmers World. That's my personal consultant. And if you want to inquire kung magkano yung binabayad natin sa Slimmers World kapag nag-workout tayo, and just to give you a brief background, I think back then that's around 25 pesos per day pumapatak yung plan ko. So that's how low cost it is kapag nag-avail kayo sa Slimmers World. So don't forget to contact Miss Tina. I'll put her contact number in our description and comment box below. So for our mechanics for this giveaway, simpleng-simple lang. I'll put a registration link. Tong registration link na to, don't worry, walang iba makakaalam. You will just need to put your name, email address, and answer na you're okay to use that email address. Kasi doon ko isa-send yung confirmation, and also kukunin ko yung name nyo para ma-pick natin kapag kumuha na tayo ng mga pwedeng manalo for our giveaway. So this giveaway will run from today up until December 1st week. So December 1st week, Friday is December 2. So up until December 2, kung sino yung mga mag-register doon, pasok sa ating giveaway. So I hope guys na one of you right now na nangangailangan ng vlogging kit or ng overhead mic or ng extra SD card or a Raptor case para sa mga gamit nyo, or a body sculpting treatment or facial treatment, sana makuha nyo to. So that's all guys. Thank you for, again, thank you for supporting this channel, and thank you for watching our video. So that's all guys for today. Register na kayo. Yung link nasa taas lang ng video na to and also nasa comment box. That's all. Thank you. See you on my next one. Bye. Peace.